Yeah, I remember that game like it was yesterday. We scored. I made a pass to my big man. He dunked it. They called a timeout. It was like we were by 6 with like 50 seconds left, and the game should have been over. I said it was over. Then they come down, hit 2 threes, and y'all know what happened. And he tweeted after the game, and I get on the bus, and everybody's talking to me about what he said and all this, and what he said in the media. And for me, I was thinking about what I should respond. Like, after I saw his tweet and I saw his Instagram post, I was wondering what I should respond. And I always ask my team, like my team Young, like just what I should say, like before I actually post it. And they were like, just wait till you play him again. Just let that do the talking. And so I didn't say anything after that game. And
February 20th came along, and somebody got the payback. Talk to us. That's your first 50 ball. Yeah, and it's big. Like I said, you let your work do the talk for you. How did that feel?
It felt great. That was the first game after All-Star. Coming back, I had this date circled, and I was ready to play this game. And I just wanted to come out and win. I wanted to come out and put on a show and try to win. And that was what I did. And it was a great night. And that's when I was able to say something back. So it was fun. I loved it. I loved it being competition.
Right. But what I loved most about it was a reporter asked you, because you ended up giving Quavo, shout out Quavo, you ended up giving Quavo your jersey after the game, and someone asked, like, why did you keep that? What was your reply?
Oh, I'm going to get another 50-point again.
I said, like, them shits is coming. Yeah, that's not the only one.
No, it was Quavo night in Atlanta. It was the arena. It was all decked out in Quavo stuff, and so that's my boy. I just wanted to give it to him on his night. Put a 50 point up, so just wanted to give him that.
Definitely, shout out Quavo, man.
Is it true that you keep negative tweets and comments like that in your phone? You use it for motivation?
No, I used to when I was in high school and college, and especially in college. Like that's me being an 18, 19-year-old. Taking everything that everybody says and just screenshotting and keeping it to myself and using it as motivation. So I used to do that a lot. I don't do it anymore, obviously, in the NBA, but I used to do that all the time when I was in college or coming into the league.
Keep that chip on your shoulder.
Man, I can't believe it. It's a snow blizzard out here. I guess I'm going to get a lot of videos done today. Y'all might get 2 or 3 videos today. Ain't got nothing to do but sit in the house and make videos.
If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back.
What up, though? My name is Kevin Melson with Beyond Your Limits, and in this video here, we got Trae Young on the All the Smoke podcast. And he was speaking on how he was trash talking in a game against Miami, and it kind of backfired. He thought the game was over, but it wasn't, because Miami came down and hit 2 3-pointers and end up coming back and winning the game. And he talked about how he didn't know what to tweet afterwards, but he circled the game on his calendar to get some get back when that time came, and he came and had 50 points. And that's a great thing. I just want you guys to see that he didn't go back and forth on Twitter with Jimmy Butler. He just waited his time and let his play do the talking. And that's the best. That's the best revenge right there, when you can outplay somebody when something happened embarrassing, or somebody outplayed you or something like that. When you can come back and you can get the best of them, man, that's a great feeling right there. What I like about Trae Young is his confidence. He has so much confidence. They're talking about how he gave away his jersey after he had his 50-point game. And when they asked him why he did that, his response was that he's going to score some more 50-point games. And that's a great attitude to have, and that's what I really like about Trae Young. I also like that he plays with a chip on his shoulder. He has, a little edge to him. Like, he wants to be great, and he's going to do what it takes to be great. And those are some attributes that you can take with you that can help you as well. In this interview, he also talked about how he used to keep negative tweets and stuff that people said about him and use that as motivation. And that's a common theme that you see with with great players. They find a way to be motivated to be better. They find ways to motivate themselves. No one has to come and, you know, try to pump them up and give them a rah-rah speech. I mean, you can go back to Michael Jordan. You know, he making up imaginary things that people said about him to push him to be great. And that's something that you need to do. You need to find a way to push yourself to be great. Your motivation shouldn't come from external things or external people. You know, somebody's got to give you a good speech or something for you to work hard. That's got to be something that comes from within, that you want to be the greatest that you can be. And if you can push yourself, man, that's a great thing for you. And that's what I want you guys to get out of this video. Play with a chip on your shoulder. Have something to prove. Always try to be your very best and play with confidence. Be confident in your abilities. You put in the work. Be confident that you're gonna go to work every time you lace them up. All right, thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hit a link in the description, a link in the bio. Cop some merch. I'm out.